So,
So let's go. Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you, Travel Tech, for the invitation. My name is Pedro. I am the regional manager for Portugal at ROIBACK. So ROIBACK is a tech company. We are experts in helping hotels to sell more throughout their website. And mainly, we have 5 products that hotels can enjoy with our service. We have a booking engine. We can develop your hotel website design and content. We are a digital marketing agency to help you go through our campaigns in digital publicity. We have meta search connectivity, and then we have on top of our booking engine a loyalty program, and also with the consultancy services to help you. Mainly, we work with independent hotel chains and independent individuals hotels. Basically, our main markets are Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Overall, we have more than 2,000 hotels in our portfolio. We have a group of dedicated developers that send new features every quarter to improve our services. And just for you to have a flavor on our service, we got more than 30 million hits on a daily basis. Can be a reservation, a cancellation, a request for availability, pricing. So a lot of volume comes through our system. The full organization has 170 people. We have 4 main departments. Lab is all about innovation and product roadmap. The digital guys develop your website and helps you also with your marketing digital campaigns. Tech is the guys that code the features on top of our service, and the advisors is the group of account managers that helps our clients to perform well on their direct selling. So what we have learned on the past 20 months, on the past hardish 20 months, actually. Despite all the pandemic and all the crisis around our sector, we do see an increasing of digital adaptation by the consumers. In particular, the last 20 months are equivalent to an acceleration of 4 years, which is huge. With that, our customers and the overall industry did benefit with the increase of digital direct selling. 79% of our customers are seeing their share of direct reservations increasing over the past 12 months. And now the question is, what can happen in the future, right? So how can I keep up with this? The numbers are so good. How can I keep up with this? So that's the challenging for our customers and for the industry. How can I keep my direct share and also give a good chunk of business to the distribution, right? How do I balance this? Well, it's not so hard, actually. What we recommend is get onto it, right? Just do it. And how can you do it? So how can you perform well in direct selling with your property? Well, first you need to have a great booking engine, an advanced user experience that allows you to customize all the environment of the booking engine. The URL needs to be customizable and the same URL than your website, nothing strange. Need to be adaptable to all kinds of devices. The ROIBACK booking engine works on the shopping cart environment, meaning that the customer can add on the same session different types of rooms. They can even add on the same session different types of rooms and different type of dates, which is great. The conversion ratio from our booking engine goes around 5 and 6%. And all this is measurable on your Google Analytics. We connect our system with your Google Analytics throughout the Google Tag Manager or GTM, where you can see all the paths, all the customer journey inside the booking engine on your analytics. Then what about features, right? So the booking engine needs to be competitive, meaning your website needs to be competitive with the online distribution, the OTAs, where your property is also being sold. So what we do put it on in the plate for you to do that. So we have cool features, really cool. The first one is the called rate mix. Rate mix is something that OTA has been doing for quite a while now, and not all booking engines do this. So basically, what is this? You have you can have a price on one day, can be the bar rate. That's an example. On the second day, you can have a non-refundable rate, and on the third day, you can have again the bar rate, right? So if a customer search for three nights at your property, what the rate mix does, it mixes the three rates in one and gives the best price to the customer. At least with this functionality, you are always in parity pricing with the OTAs at least. But the idea is to be the best available rate on your website, as we know. More stuff that you can do. You can do price by markets if you want. You can do a specific price for the UK market, or a different price for the American market, or even for the Asian market. So you can defer pricing accordingly geographically of your interests. You can also defer prices by devices. You can have a best price available on your desktop, and you can have a different discount on the mobile device, right? We know that mobile reservations are more last minute, so probably makes sense to have a specific price for that. You can also make a different type of prices per days of the week, or even for times of the day. And then you can push also prices for the meta search, which is, and I will talk about that in a few seconds more. So then you have more normal stuff that all booking engines normally have, like promo codes, special offering, packages, email pre and post. So all that is more random. We can go up and see and go on features for chains. We have a search for destination. We have a specific search inside the booking engine for a brand. We can even integrate with Google Maps to pinpoint your properties, and people can see where they are located and then decide if they choose one property over the other because of the location. And that all this helps the chain to improve their direct selling over their website. The upselling and cross-selling are also features that we recommend. The cross-sell is to be able for you to create extras or add-ons per room type. So you can sell. Sorry, let's just put the video for you guys to see. You can sell like spa, you can sell transfers, you can have like restaurants, right? So people can add those extras and those add-ons to the shopping cart while buying or while reserving your room. And at the end, what they are doing is they are customizing their dynamic packaging by their own. The upsell features allow you to sell the rooms, the superior rooms, for a specific price that you want to put. Let's say, and it can happen in two moments on the customer journey, on the customer reservation journey. The first one is on session. I add to my shopping cart a specific room, and on the second step, that is the last step of the booking engine, the system will say to the customer, hey, you, for more extra amounts of dollars or euros, you can buy a superior room. And the second moment is on the pre-stay email. You can set up the number of days you want to send the email to the customer. And what the system does is automatically you're going to check on that day, on that specific day for the check-in, if there is superior rooms available. And if they are added to the email, sent to the customer, and the customer just with one click can upsell for a different room if they want it. So these are the basic features for the booking engine that we think they are recommendable. Then we put more stuff on top of it to improve it. The first thing is a specific product for mobile. So we have a responsive version from our booking engine and websites, but we did a specific thing, call it the Metabase Pro, which is a booking engine and a website based on a technology called AMP, or Accelerated Mobile Pages. What that brings different to you? Well, it's something dedicated only to the mobile environment. The loading time are much quicker. The usability is all done and prepared for the user mobile. And in the end, what we gain with it is the conversion. If you see your analytics on the current days, you see that mobile traffic is higher than the desktop, right? So, but the conversions are not there yet. But the idea is, with the evolution of the smartphones and also the people more and more connected in real time in each hour of the day, is that the conversion will start happen. So the Metabase Pro will help you do that. It will help you to follow and see the trend of the customer on the mobile ecosystem and get those bookings that currently you don't have it. Then we put on top of our booking engine a loyalty program. So basically, we are seeing loyalty as with a direct relationship in increasing direct bookings. Loyalty programs are important for two main reasons. First is that allows you to compete with OTA's loyalty programs like Genius and Expedia Rewards. And secondly is a great source of database. Just for information, between 50 to 60% of people that register in the loyalty program doesn't book at first. meaning that you are creating a database of hot leads, people that are really interested in your product, but they still make the reservation, and that allows you to interact during the process and make those hot leads into bookings, right? So how does it work, the loyalty program from ROIBACK? So basically, you have everything set up. You just need to say the name, the personalization, the logo. It is done to be an instant gratification or a discount. The discount can be for all the group or can be different per property, depends on what your needs. The logins are there, Gmail, Facebook, and a form that you can personalize on the back office from ROIBACK, right? So as soon as people register in the system, in the loyalty program, the booking engine will start personalizing the journey for the customer with the name and with specific details for him. If you want to evolve on your loyalty, you can then go on loyalty tiers. Let's say that you see, hey, okay, I got my loyalty already done, it's working well, but I need to push my clients a bit further. I want to give them more benefits, but I want to reward them according with business, right? So you can do that. You can say, hey, you can choose a metric, a KPI that for the evolution of the customer, can be revenue, can be reservations, can be room nights. You can define tiers with different discounts or different benefits, and the customer will have an access to the back office where you can see the current level that he is, what he needs to do to move to the next level. You can see his reservations, the future reservations, the past reservations, and you have all that kind of information available on your site. Also, the loyalty system from ROIBACK is API free, meaning that you can connect the loyalty with your CRM if needed. Metabase Pro is the product that ROIBACK has to connect with the meta search. Basically, what we do here is we connect with the major meta search, Google Hotel Ads, TripAdvisor, and Trivago, and others. We push prices and availability in real time for this meta search. And one really cool thing that we do is the loyalty prices. If you want it, you can push your loyalty prices to the meta search. As you know, Booking.com as an example is doing that, is pushing Genius to the meta search as pricing. We also know that meta search ecosystem is very price sensitive. So to have good results in this ecosystem is to be competitive. And one way that we have for our customers to be competitive on the meta search level is to push loyalty prices to the meta search environment. Just for your references, we are seeing a meta evolution, a significant evolution in bookings from the meta search. Nearly 20% of total bookings come through the meta search currently, direct bookings. 65% of those comes from Google Hotel Ads. So as a first step, if you are not in meta search, go on Google Hotel Ads and start seeing the numbers there. More cool stuff that we have, like we have a gift card, which allows us to offer an alternative for prepaid booking cancellations, right? And not only, also you can sell a gift card as a pocket money or a money card, and people can redeem directly on the booking engine that money. As an example, so I have here on the slides a specific gift card that with the value of 550 euros, which a reservation just made and was deduced, and it kept still a current balance of an amount which allows this customer to redeem that value on future reservation also. The B2B module, meaning that the booking engine, although the booking engine from ROIBACK is the B2C module, we have like a business also module for bookings, meaning that your agencies and your companies that have a contracted rate with you can book directly on your website. Mainly, you just need to set up the contract on the back office and send the user and the password to the agencies or to the companies, and with that passwords or access, they can enter and give access to their personalized booking engine with their contracted rates. The payments manager system is something that we developed during the pandemic. We saw a lot of problems with cash money from our customers, and we thought that, hey, how can we help our customers to retain that money, and also give a solution to their customers. So one of the solution was the gift card. So the gift card allows them the clients to, instead of refund the money from the bookings, generate a gift card with that money for bookings later on. And the payment manager basically allows an automation on payments, right? So what we did was basically is people when booked throughout the ROIBACK booking engine are the credit card is made on the token, and with that token we predefine prepayments for the system. Of course, these are mainly done for non-refundable rates. And as an example, the prepayments can be done as many times as you need or a customer also needs. So the idea is to be the most flexible possible. Then you can also control the collections, check out the collections are done, building history. If you need to cancel the payment, you can do that. If you want to reactivate it, you also can do direct on the platform from e-payments from ROIBACK. If you need to ask a new credit card, you can do that also. And everything is done on the unique platform. The Booking Center tool is another feature that is available for our customers. Booking Center tool is made for the voice reservations, meaning that if someone calls to your property or calls to your reservation department and you need to quote a price in real time, you can use the Booking Center tool. Basically, this is connected with your channel manager or with your PMS. Prices and availability are in real time and are synchronized with your booking engine. So if someone calls, the user from your hotel can search the dates, can search availability, can search in multi-properties if you are a chain, can select the best option for the customer, can sell the best room for the customer on the telephone, and can register the reservation directly in the system. The cool thing is that you can also register not only the B2C bookings but also the B2B, so you can have access to the contracted rates here on the Booking Center tool, and you can also have access to the loyalty advantage from your program directly in the Booking Center tool. So the idea is to synchronize everything with the booking engine and a tool that allows your users with the synchronized information and in real-time data also. You can also package the prices from our booking engine or from the bookings from ROIBACK with flights. So it's another option that works quite well, and it's one more source of revenue that hotels can have directly on their website. Is to package not only to sell not only your hotel but also to package with a plane that goes throughout your location. Just some numbers to get a bit of information from your side. We are seeing an increase in room nights or in the length of stay. We are seeing an increase in booking anticipation also with using this product, and a drastic reduction in cancellations when people book flight plus hotel directly on your website. We have a bunch of connectivities available. So currently we connect with all major channel managers in the market, and we also have a connection with the payment gateways on the different regions, meaning Europe, Asia, and Americas. The payment gateways capability allows you to collect the money in real time directly on the booking engine also. So that was all about the booking engine and what can be done. Just for your reference, also the booking engine from ROIBACK is independent and can be integrated on top of a website or an external website or your current website if you think that you are happy with it. But if you are not happy with your website, we can also help. We can develop a personalized website. And also we can develop all the content that goes around that website. The design is 100% responsive, and you can also use the Metabase Pro feature if you think that the responsive version is no longer suitable to you. Normally they have great evocative and experimental look and feel. They are focused on sell. Okay, so nothing with long text, but great content focused on sale. The navigation easy to use, intuitive. The booking steps are just in 3. The speed is quite good. You can enable videos on the website also. Marketing claims, all those features are included, and the content we can create it from scratch. Basically, we do a briefing about your properties. We have a team of copywritings that do the content for you. You can review it. Then you can also use our company or our services in translations, and you can translate to more than 20 languages available, not only European languages, but also Asian and American languages. Just some examples of designs. This is a luxury property in Riviera Maya with a great website and a great impact look and feel. A few more in Spain, which are also a good example. And on top of that, we have our own content management system. So the content management system is available for you guys. If you need to change some pictures, to create a new page, to create a landing page for a campaign that you want to do, if you want to insert a video, if you want to change some content or add more languages. So all that is available on our content management system for you guys. But of course, you always have a digital team available to help you also manage the content if needed. Then we have like the digital marketing agency part. Basically, what we do here, we have a team of experts in digital marketing. Here, the idea is if you are interested in investing money in publicity, we can help you with that. And we can then provide you information how that investment can be input in terms of bookings. Just for your references, each euro that a customer is investing in digital marketing with ROIBACK, we are bringing back 10 euros. Okay, so normally it's quite interesting, quite profitable also do that. And you can do a bunch of things. You can go on just on campaigns per brand. You can go on deferring your campaigns per geolocation if needed. You can go on display, social ads, programmatic, email marketing. So a lot of things can be done, depend always the budget that you want to assign, and of course of your strategy. So we are here to help. We can help you define that strategy if you want it, and at the end we are part of being the best agency possible to your success in the digital environment. In top of our services, booking engine, website, digital marketing, meta search, we focus a lot on performing. So we have an account management available. Normally they are based on each location where we have customers, or at least at regions. Portugal is one of those regions, and you have here our direct specialists or our account managers. We also have that in the Middle East available for our customers there, and in the main locations, the Americas and Asia also. So the direct channel specialist is the account manager, but it supports you not only your needs about technical issues, but also in terms of performing. Okay? In terms of performing, this person is in charge to help you do the best possible throughout your website, with ideas, evaluations, brainstormings, meetings. So everything that we can help to you do best on selling on your website, our account managers are available and they do that. On top of that, we have like a bunch of BI reports that help you follow up directly on the KPIs of performing on a direct sale. An example is our business intelligence. It's a software as a service based, where you can access it and you can see the main KPIs from how your website sale is performing in real time. So we are present in Europe, as I mentioned. Basically, our main office is in Palma de Mallorca in Spain. We also have office in Barcelona, Canaries, Lisbon, where I'm located currently, in Italy, in Milan, and then the Americas in Asia, Americas in Medellin, Cancun, Miami, also in Asia, Bangkok, and Bali. Okay. And that's it. That is all about what is ROIBACK. I don't know if I was too quick here, Natalia.
Hi, Pedro. Thank you very much for your presentation. I go, yeah, there. Thank you very
It was
much for your presentation and
yeah.
for be part of Travel Tech EMEA 2021. Thank you, ROIBACK, for your support, for being a
Natalia, thank you
sponsor
very
of Travel
much.
Tech. And I hope you see next year with more Travel Tech, more insight and topics for the hoteliers. And
Yeah, we are
development.
happy to we are happy to join. If anybody has a question for me, please do that, or send me an email later, and I'd be happy to answer it. Okay.
That's right. Also, you have the virtual stand from ROIBACK. You can go to traveltech.space, and there in virtual stand, you have the opportunity to schedule a meeting with the team of ROIBACK.
I will
And
be happy to do that.
clear all your doubts. So thank you very much, Pedro. We are going to
Thank
continue
you.
with these pitch sessions. Thank you.
Have a great day. Good job for everybody. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.